guess where I'm at. Damn, it's so... Ang ano naman. Ang dilim. And I'm upstairs. As usual. Tahimik kasi dito. Ayan, that's better. Tignan natin kung may ilaw na ako dun sa upuan. Basa kasi yung upuan. I mean, basa yung ditong part. But this part, this part, it's fine. It's dry. Nag-pool kasi... Pool? Basta yun. Naipon yung water dun sa... Rainwater dun sa may... Ano banda? Basta yun. And... Of course, I'm alone again. I'm alone again upstairs. Here. And... Ang lamig nun! Ang lamig, best. Tahimik. Maayos. Kaso lang, so bored. Makes me bored. But it's quiet. It's nice. It's nice and quiet. I have a little Wi-Fi reception. Very mahina. Pero it's manageable. Manageable! It's fine. Favorite word ko ba ang fine? It's okay. It's still doom scroll, but ewan ko, nagsasawa na ako mag-doom scroll. Dalawang araw pa lang. Dalawang araw? Dalawang araw pa lang akong nasa bakasyon. Vlog number 1. Actually, I'm planning to fix myself a schedule. Or like, just a routine. Para, gusto ko na din ayusin. Actually, gusto ko na din ayusin yung tawag din. I wanna fix my sleeping schedule because my sleeping schedule is so fucked up. Nung may pasok, depende sa schedule ang tawag din. Huh? Ano po sa depende sa schedule ko that day ang waking time ko. Like if I have kunwari on Monday I have 9:30. If I didn't hindi ako makakonstruct ng maayos na if galing ako dito on Monday, if I didn't return, tama ba yung grammar ko? If I didn't return to Urdaneta on Sunday, on Monday, I commute from here. And so, around 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. is my waking time. And I'll prep. Depende pa pala yun if may pending homeworks ako na hindi ko nakatapos ng Sunday. And then, sabi ko, tulog muna ako, itipon ako. It's either I'll wake up at 3. I mean, depende kasi yun if anong oras ako iidlip. Like, if around 12, I feel sleepy. And then, I'll tell myself, I'll set up an alarm. I go to bed at 12. I set up an alarm. Multiple alarms, actually. I'll set up multiple alarms around 2 to 4 with 10 minutes interval, 30 minutes, or whatever. Minsan nag-snooze na lang ako. And, ayun. After that, if I don't wake up to those alarms, alas 5 na ako nagigising. Kasi nag-snooze na ako. And, ayun. Ayun. 5 to 6, I'll I'll wake up at 5. I'll do my work. I'll go downstairs around 6:30. I'll fix my bag. I'll pack my things. And then shower, brush my teeth, and then double check everything that's in my bag. And then minsan hindi na ako nagda-double check eh. And then I eat breakfast and tambay konti. Then around 7:30 to 8 pabiyahe na ako. Depende pa and then it depends if there's I could catch a big bus. Depende pa. It depends if I could catch a big bus until I get bored or like I panic. Panic? Oo, nagpapanik ako kasi most of the time yung Monday na yun na hindi ako umuwi is quiz or like medyo strict kasi yung instructor namin with the attendance, and may weight may ano bang tawag nila dun? Hindi ko maisip yung term, pero like affected what the hell is this? Affected ng attendance yung grade. So and I don't do well in that subject. I mean, I do fine, but I don't do excellent. Gets nyo ba ako? Do I make sense? And ayun. And where was I? Oh, that's on Monday. And then on Tuesday, I have a 7 a.m. class, so around 6:30. And then I'll rush to the bathroom, take a bath. And after that, after my 7 to 8, the next class is... What is next class ko? Hapon na. Actually, hapon na ata. If I'm not mistaken, RVA. After Rizal, na 7 to 8, I have RVA at 2 to 3. But we added the schedule for statics. That's 1 to 2. So, ayun. After my 7 to 8, 1 to 2 na agad. And this is why I can't go balikan. I need to be in a dorm. Ayun. And that's that. And after that, Wednesday. That's my Wednesday. 8 a.m. Pero 9. 8 a.m. ang naka-schedule, pero 9 kami minimit ni Sir. AutoCAD kasi yun. And most of the time, he doesn't need us because kulang sa facilities ang PSU, and we don't have computer labs for that kind of subject. I mean, we have computer labs, but it's for the computer engineers, for the computer engineerings and IT students. And that's that. And most of the time, ang namin ng EU is ayun. And Thursday, I have 9 a.m. ang earliest ko no Thursday. So Friday is 7 a.m. And because we have so much deadlines, we have like almost every week we have quizzes. Ang bedtime ko is not fixed. Sometimes I go to bed at 10, sometimes I go to bed at 12, and then um but I don't. I go to bed. Sometimes I go to bed early, and then I'll just set an alarm or magpagising ako sa mga kadorm ko for like after 2 hours, 4 hours, depende sa work na kailangan gawin. Kasi minsan it's manageable. Oh, minsan it's manageable. Minsan it's doable for within just an hour. Minsan it takes quite a while for a few days, a few hours of, I mean, uh, many hours for a few days. And daldal. Ayun. Wala kasi akong kausap dito. After that, most of the time plates naman yun for EU2 and review. Pag sa review, depende kasi yun sa subject. If kaya kong kinabukasan na ako magre-review. Pero if I have a lot to cover, then that's when pero most of the time you have a lot to cover eh. And ayun, dagdag mo pa na my mental state isn't that stable, so sometimes I get so overwhelmed that I put off the things first and then panic after. That's my toxic trait actually, and I want to fix that during this vacation, and I hope I succeed in doing that, because it hasn't been so nice. That those habits wasn't nice. It was such a headache. I mean, procrastination and procrastination and girl, hindi ko maalala yung term. Cramming, ayun. Procrastination and cramming isn't good for you. No. And I hope I find a way to fix that during this vacation. So I'm planning to build me a schedule or like a checklist every day, so that I could build my self-discipline regarding when it comes. I can build my self-discipline when it comes to studying and stuff. And yeah, I hope I succeed. And lately I've been thinking about you lately. Charis, hindi mali. Lately my mood hasn't been nice. I mean, it was nice, but my weekends was nice. My Monday was nice, but yesterday and today hasn't been kind to me. And I don't know. I really hope my plan works. But let's see. I'll start, I think, next week. Ngayon, this week I'll enjoy bed rotting and stuff. I hope I don't get so bored. But if I get bored bed rotting, maybe, oh my god, excuse me. Then maybe I'll start fixing my schedule. But I don't know. I really want a job. I feel guilty. Magdadrama na siya. Ewan ko, te. I really want a job. I don't know how to get one though. Di ko alam. I'm not into customer service. What the hell? I mean, I could be, but my shy ass is kinda hesitant. But like, you know, I don't know. Honestly. Hmm. Um, that I'm trying to find. I asked Marge if may alam siyang like sideline or side job racket, and she said I could try affiliating on TikTok, but hindi kasi ako mahilig mag-shop, and that's my problem. I don't like to shop. I mean, I would like to shop if I had enough money, but I don't know. I'll I'll think about that first, but for now, I'll try to find. I'll try to find me opening. I don't know. Feeling ko if may kasama ako, baka pwede ako mag-McDo. I will. I wanna try. I want to try, yes. But like, I don't know. And ayan. Where was I? I want to try having a job because I wanna earn money for my own sake. My own sake. For my loho. And other than that, I don't want to burden my family so much because ayan, as you, I don't know if you guys know, but as most of you guys know, my scholarship, I lost my scholarship, and I haven't been the same since. I feeling ko that's one reason why my mental health is so fucked up. I have been distracted since January, but that that event, that thing that happened was still in the back of my head all this time. And ayun, I hope minumulto pa rin ako. Ang dami kong what ifs. Ang dami kong excuse me, ang dami kong doubts. I mean, I already had doubts while I was a scholar, but mas dumami siya actually mas dumami siya nung ano, after what happened. And I don't know. I'm still being devoured by guilt. Had like had I done better, with my parents. Had I done better, my parents wouldn't have much of a problem with me in college, with my expenses and all that stuff financially. I would have gotten, I would have lifted a burden from them. Ayun, I'm feel ko baka baka hindi na mawala yung guilt. Kainis. Baka hindi na mawala yung guilt. This will live in me forever. Sana wala akong makyat. But I hope it doesn't. Ayun. Had I done better, how different? How different would today be? How different would it be? But of course, we won't know. Kasi nangyari na eh. But sana kung may alternate universe na ganito yung nangyari. Ay, ganito din yung situation. Ganon din yung situation. I mean, they say God has plans. I wonder what His plans are for me. And ang hirap naman ng redirection ni Lord Bess. Bakit ganito? Kainis. Masakit pa rin pala, no? Akala ko tanggap ko na. Akala ko okay na ako. Di pa rin pala. Bakit mo umiyak, Bess? Ayun. That's life. Naipon lang din siguro to. And ang baba nung grades ko sa iyo to. I mean, gets naman kasi mababa yung mga quiz ko. Pero like, girl, putang ina. Ang konti na nga ng units ko, hindi ko pa. My mental health is so... Tangina, ayusin ko talaga tong buhay ko ngayong bakasyon. Mabawi ako. Mabawi ako next sem po. Tangina niyo. Mabawi ako next sem. Mabawi ako. Kapangay mo umiyak. Tangina mo. Mami, bakit mo umiyak talaga? Ayun. Sana makabawi ako next sem. Ang goal ko next sem ay maka-DL. Okay. Charis. I mean, why not? Why not, no? I mean, second take ko naman ng DE. Tapos i-retake ko ang surveys. Puro GE na. Tapos, ano pa? Di ko alam, di ko pa titignan subjects ko. Pero like, yun. Sana kayanin ko. Sana Sana maging okay na ako. Gago kasi. Pupo mo kasi, te. Nandun na yung scholarship mo eh. Sinayang mo pa. Teka. Eh di sorry. Sorry kung hindi ako stable. Sorry. Eh di sorry. Sorry kung hindi ako matalino. Sorry kung hindi ko naintindihan yung kanong review ko. Sorry kung hindi ko magamay. Ewan ko, te. Nakakahiya. Everybody was rooting for me. And then I fucked it all up. Gago. Bakit mo umiyak, gago? Tangina, nag-video ko pa talaga. This should have been... This was supposed to be a wholesome video. What is happening? Bakit mo umiyak? Ay, gago. Basa yung likod ko tuloy. Bakit mo umiyak, bro? I've been... This video is on 27 minutes. I've been yapping non-stop for 30 minutes. Bakit umiyak? Gago. Pero ayun, alam ko lang wala na akong magagawa. Pero like, gets you ba? Disappointed pa rin ako sa sarili ko. And, ang dami kong regrets. Ang dami kong what ifs. Ang dami ko nang namura sa sarili ko. Ang dami ko nang nasabing masama sa sarili ko. I want a job. I wanna earn money. Please. If anyone who sees this knows a job that I can do, help this motherfucker, please. Help this bitch. Help this gay bitch, please. Ayun. Ang dami kong naran. Hindi ko alam kung nag-make sense sila lahat. Pero like, ayun. I hope it makes sense to you. Because it doesn't make sense to me. And I hope I fix myself this vacation because hindi ko na kaya, best. Baka bigla na lang akong mawala sa mundo.